There's a strange goose. Can anyone spot the difference? What could be better than taking your dog out and joining the Christmas parade crowds?
Rube, you're such a good dog. I'll take you outside, yeah.
Anong karapatan mo pareho dyan? Tanungin kita.
Me when they hear the neighbours arguing and be like, the dog was like, "Excuse me, ladies and gentlemen, has anyone seen my banana toy?" In every sibling, there must be a special exception. The golden said, "I want to play too." But the dark one was like, "No, let him cook." A strong wind named Husky cracked the apple tree in the garden. How dangerous it is! We advise people to keep an eye on the trees. Has a sunbeam? Check. Has a blanket? Check. Has a happy? Check.
I never told you my name, Bubs. Bean? I'm Ashley.
Huh? It's funny how Doggo's barking has the same sound like the car turns on in the winter. Me and my best friend every summer. Surfing is just a piece of cake.
Watch your feet.
You own a dog to guard the house, but the dog's like, Doggo must have been deep into the seventh heaven in the dream, but then suddenly falling down to earth. How it feels if you're being caught in 4K.
Where are you done?
The weather forecast has predicted that it will rain and it will make this husky the best growing plant in the garden. If this pup was ever a character in the Transformers movie, he'd probably be a digging machine. When Anna asks the doggo, "Do you want to build a snowman?" Mum, let me show you a magic trick I've learned. Ta-da!
You have a smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps. All ideas slide right off, like a water slide. Smooth brain, smooth.
This must be the reason why the strong are always alone. When you're trying to create a memorable atmosphere for an outing.
Walter! Jesus! Come on, monkey. Good boy. This way. This way. Come on. Keep it going. Keep it going.
Was it a family meeting or a secret talking? Doggo sleeps like he's paying the bills. Uh-oh, Doggo is just found something. The excitement.
Stay. Stay. Pickle. Cucumber. Avocado. Okay.
The tail waving so smooth, which makes Doggo ready for the dog model performance.
Necesitamos ayuda, gente. Apóyenos, es para una buena causa.
Although you're grown up, you're still just a baby in your mama's arms.
Todavía sirve. Me lo había tirado en la basura y yo sé que todavía sirve y pues.
Oh, manches, corre bien fuerte.
Doggo was not like a dog with two tails anymore. He was turning into a bunny in the meadow. Thought the Doggo was diving into the snow, but it turns out he was just on cloud 9. Dog was like, I was thinking about enjoying this moment, but remembered that I was also angry. How it feels when one day you go to the mall to see these guys on the cars. Comment below to let me know. Thanks for watching.